as you can see, I wanna tell you the best method to calculate the cost sheet. Okay, cost sheet. So now you can see on the top of the all the question, it is I don't publish or I don't have any promotion, but yeah, it is Kalyani publisher. Okay, one of the good book on Odisha. So yeah, this is Kalyani publisher book. So let's start it first of all. There was a question, so first we gonna write all the things on their places, right? You can see there is direct material, direct wages, wages of foreman. Okay, we know direct material and direct wages is equal to in which category, and equal to the category of prime cost, right? So first of all we put down every situation. There was four things in your cost sheet. It is used, what is that? First of is prime cost. Okay, second is factory overheads, or factory cost. Third is administration, okay, overheads. And fourth one is your selling and distribution overhead. Okay, and last end up is cost of sale. Last sale is we gonna write. So here is prime cost are all the direct things, direct material, direct labor, direct expenses. Okay, all the factory overheads is factory cost. Okay, and all administration overheads is cost of production, and all selling and distribution is cost of sale. And finally, after writing this cost of sale, we know our final sale, why we make this cost sheet. Get that all point? So go now to that question. So first of all, I wrote down everything what is which is direct, which is office overheads, and which is selling and distribution heads, as you can see. So as per the required, we just put down. So which are the direct? Okay, here is gonna is total cost. Okay, and here is all your particulars. Okay, and here amount. Okay, so here is first is direct material. How much cost is? 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. The direct wages is how much? There was 1000. So the prime cost is 1 lakh 30,000. Right? What do we add then? Add, here you can write add what? I already told you, factory cost. Put down in blue pen, that is good. Okay, as you can see, I just gonna write all the things in this. Okay, one by one. So you write first. Okay, go. As you can see, I write everything, right? Prime wages of foreman, electric power, storekeeper wages, and write in right way. Okay, don't be quick. Okay, so my answer is 700 and 500, 7,500. So 1,30,000 and 7,500 is 1,47,500. In next page, so as you can know, we gonna add administration overheads, right? So I quickly write down all the things, all the particulars thing in this and use so. As you can see, I add all the things on this like office rent, repair, renewal, office session, depreciation of office premises. Okay, this is office premises, manager salary, director fees, office stationery. Okay, stationery is the thing only in the administration overheads. Okay, remember this. In this here is writing factory or the office. Okay, then telephone charge, and my all the total cost is 11,375. Okay, so the total cost is 1,59,375. Clear? Then what we gonna add? We gonna add selling and distribution overheads. So quickly write down that. As you can see, I write everything of selling and distribution overheads. So here are all the things like carriage, outdoor, salesman, salary, travel, expenses, advertisement. So all the things after writing. Okay, underlying the question is ainly sales is 1,89,500. So here is our 3,875, and previous is how 1,59,375, right? So total is 1,63,250. So and the sale is how many costs? 1,89,500. So how much the profit is? It is 26,250. So hope you like and understand this video. So yep.